How's that paper going?
Oh, you know.
So you're not coming to the party tonight?
I didn't say that.
I think your work speaks for itself.
How are those internship applications coming along?
I was really hoping that you'd make it to the meeting tonight. We're planning for next week's event.
Like I can help anyway. What do I know about event planning?
Maybe if you tried.
Well, I'm busy. I've been really stressed about this paper, and I have work tonight. I have bigger things, different things to worry about.
I'm going to lie down.
Wait, you can't.
Watch me.
Wait, Jordan, no.
What the?
I can explain.
What? What?
Just calm down, you're gonna stress him out.
Stress him out? I'm glad we're finally showing a little empathy. Why is there a cat on our bed? I'm allergic to cats, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you ever think things through?
Why don't you ever, take risks?
And our lease forbids animals. You could get us evicted. But you're too selfish to care.
Selfish? Saving a cat from the cold, harsh outdoors? That's selfish?
No, Alex, you're selfish.
Jordan, wait. Where are you going?
Out. Away from here. Away from you and that thing.
Can't we talk about this?
Talk? Now you want to talk? After you've completely disregarded my health and our relationship?
I was just trying to do the right thing.
Sure, right thing. Because your idea of right is the only one that really matters.
So that's it? You're just leaving?
Well, if that thing's not, I am.
We'll be all right. Jordan can either deal with it or she can leave. Where was I with that paper?
Hey, you okay? You look like you're about to explode.
Oh, hey, Chloe. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just stressed about this paper.
Really? You seem more stressed than just a paper warrants. Everything with Jordan okay?
We had a fight, a big one.
About what?
I brought home a cat.
A cat? What's the problem?
I don't know. It's more complicated than that. Allergies, leases, and it's just a whole big thing that I don't really want to think about.
Ouch. Sounds rough.
Yeah, it is. And now I don't even know where she is.
Give her some space. She'll come around.
I don't know, Chloe. This time it feels different.
Look, relationships have ups and downs. Don't overthink it. You could always come over to mine.
Maybe later. I really got to focus on this paper, though.
All right, but don't burn yourself out. Come find me when you need a break.
hell? I don't know. This is crazy. Nah, screw it. Don't wait up for me, buddy. I'll see you later. What the hell? What is that? Oh my gosh. My bad, dude. You want any burnt pasta? No, me neither. Where have you been?
Out with friends. I lost track of time.
I saw you outside the bar with Chris.
Alex,
What happened? Jordan, what did you do?
So, maybe we keep the cat?